Thanks for tuning in for another flight test on Essential RC. This is RC Era's latest little helicopter. This is a 30th scale H145, the C190. So nice scheme, as you can see on the box. Don't know if this is a scale scheme, someone can tell me that, but I suspect it is. Sécurité Civile. The features of this, as with a lot of other mini micro helicopters these days, it has both optical flow stabilization and barometric height setting. So it uses optical flow stabilization using a sensor underneath up to about 8 meters altitude height, I think, and then it uses barometric, which isn't as accurate, but still gives you a level of locking at the height that you set it at. It has 2 brushless motors, and yes, you get everything that you need to fly in the box, less the 4 AA's you need to put in the transmitter. Let's show you what you get in the box. You get the instructions, obviously, which are in pretty good English. But the first packet on top is a couple of screwdrivers and an Allen key and the USB lead, which you're going to use to charge up the flight battery, which is here. You get spare main blades, and let's take the lid off, and you can see you get the helicopter and the transmitter. Let's look at the helicopter first. Just put that down. Looks nice, great scheme. Interestingly, on this one, they're saying this is kind of a new feature where the tail rotor is in a duct, and I believe that's called fenestron. It's an Airbus term for the ducted tail rotor. Looks really good. And then to show you the transmitter. So on here you've got the sticks, obviously, for regular control, as you would do a drone, really. You've got automatic takeoff and landing, and you've got 2 speeds as well, and an automatic stop button, which I think would just stop the rotors, stop all power, and it would just drop to the ground. So you want to be cautious about how you use that. And obviously your trim switches as well, because you want to, when you fly it for the first time, try and get it to stay reasonably on the same spot and not wander off all by itself. So let's plug the battery in and let's get it flying. Okay, so first thing to do, turn on the transmitter. Let's put that down. Take off the front canopy, just pull it off like that. Then the battery slides in like that. There's a catch at the front, which we have to make sure is in the unlocked position. And actually it goes in like that, slides in, then slide the catch across so that it is locked, and then there's a switch to turn on. And then the lights are flashing to indicate that it's ready to talk to the transmitter. Put that down, straighten out the blades, and we're ready to go. So on the transmitter, to get it to bind, it's up and down. The lights have stopped flashing on the helicopter, and then on the transmitter we go out like that, and it will start up. Here we go. Right, now moving the speed switch to the right. I think I've got a bit more control, a lot more control forwards and backwards now and side to side. That is hands off. A little bit of trim needed. There you go. Just needed a bit of right trim. Well, that's pretty good. Oh, it's even got another speed mode above that. So there are 3. Even more. Let's bring it back. Wow, yeah. You've got even more pitch and roll in your control. Fantastic. As opposed to the lowest mode, which gives you that. And then that is mid. And this is high. So you've got 3 rates basically. Alright. Bring it back. And let's do an automated landing. So you've got 1 button for takeoff and 1 for landing. Let's bring it back and see how the landing works. Come on. Oh, missed. So there you go, takeoff and landing. Let's see if I can do that again a bit more accurately. So take off. Yes. Oh no. Nearly. Not quite over the middle. So there you go, RC Era C190. 3 different speed modes, demonstrated those there, and demonstrated takeoff and landing with the single buttons. You don't have to use those buttons, you could do it using the up-down stick if you want to do it that way. Pretty good. There you go. So the price for the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Look it up for the price. But thanks for watching this Essential RC Flight Test. Bye.